Welcome to Animal World. Today, we step into the tiny, mighty world of ants. These small creatures rule ecosystems across every continent except Antarctica. There are more than 12,000 known ant species on Earth. Each has its own shape, home, and way of life. We will walk through the most amazing ant species, one by one. Get ready to see a world you've never noticed before. First, meet the Pharaoh ant. This is one of the smallest ant species. Workers are only 1.5 to 2 millimeters long. They are light yellow or golden. You can find them worldwide. They love warm, cozy spaces. Kitchens, wall gaps, and storage corners are their favorite homes. They eat sweets, dead insects, and leftover food. Pharaoh ants live in huge groups with many queens. A single nest can grow fast and spread everywhere. They are expert survivors. Even small nests can start new colonies quickly. Next is the black ant, the most common ant you see outdoors. It has a smooth, dark black or brown body. Workers are 2 to 4 millimeters long. Black ants live almost everywhere: grass, trees, city parks, and farmlands. They build simple nests under stones or in soil gaps. Their diet is mixed. They sip nectar, eat fruit pieces, and hunt small insects. Black ants are calm and harmless to humans. They help clean up nature by eating dead bugs. They also spread seeds and help plants grow. This is the friendly neighbor of the insect world. Now, the big-headed ant. This species has a clear look. Soldier ants have a huge, strong head. Their jaws are sharp and powerful. Workers are smaller, with normal-sized heads. Big-headed ants live across the globe. They nest in soil, under leaves, or near buildings. They hunt small insects and collect sweet food. Soldiers guard the nest and fight enemies. Their strong jaws can hold prey tightly. Big-headed ant colonies grow fast. Many have multiple queens to keep the group strong. Let's talk about the red imported fire ant. It is bright red or reddish-brown. This ant is tough and adaptive. It lives in warm, wet areas. Fire ants build large dome-shaped nests in soil. They are very protective of their home. If you disturb their nest, they will attack together. They bite and sting to defend their colony. Fire ants eat insects, seeds, and small animals. They can form huge super colonies. They are one of the most successful, invasive ant species, but they also play a role in controlling some pests. Here comes the leafcutter ant, the farmer of the ant world. Leafcutter ants don't eat leaves. They cut fresh leaves and carry them back to their nest. Underground, they use leaves to grow fungus. This fungus is their main food. Leafcutter ants live in Central and South America. Their nests are huge underground cities. A mature nest has millions of ants. It has rooms for farming, raising babies, and storing waste. Leafcutter ants work in teams. Some cut leaves, some carry them, some guard the group. Their farming skill is older than human agriculture. It is one of nature's greatest wonders. Next is the army ant, the nomad of the ant world. Army ants don't build fixed nests. They move in giant groups, sometimes millions strong. They form living nests called bivouacs with their bodies. These bivouacs protect the queen eggs and larvae. Army ants live in tropical Africa and the Americas. They are active hunters. They march across the forest floor to hunt insects and small arthropods. When they find prey, they work together to catch it. Army ants help keep the forest balanced. They remove many small pests as they move. Their teamwork is fierce and orderly. Now, the bullet ant from the Amazon rainforest. It is one of the largest ants. Adults are 2.5 to 4 centimeters long. It has a strong dark body. The bullet ant is famous for its sting. The pain feels like being hit by a bullet. It can last for 24 hours. Bullet ants live in trees and on the forest ground. They hunt small insects and spiders. They are calm unless threatened. Local tribes use them in traditional ceremonies. This ant shows the power of small creatures. Meet the trapjaw ant, the speed king of ants. Its jaws close faster than any other insect movement. The jaws can snap shut at 126 to 230 kilometers per hour. Trapjaw ants live in warm tropical areas. They hunt small insects. When they find prey, they open their jaws wide. In a split second, they snap shut and catch the prey. They also use their jaws to jump away from danger. This is a smart and fast survivor. Its body is built for speed and hunting. Next is the Sahara desert ant, the heat-resistant hero. It lives in the harsh Sahara desert. This ant can stand extreme heat that kills most insects. It goes out to hunt during the hottest hours. Few predators can hunt in such heat. The desert ant finds its way using the sun and memory. It walks far from the nest to find dead insects. It carries food back quickly before the heat harms it. Its body is made to survive dry, hot days. It is a master of desert life. Now the green tree ant, also called the weaver ant. It lives in southern Asia and Australia. This is a tree-dwelling ant. It uses larvae to spin silk. Workers hold leaves together and let larvae sew them into nests. These leaf nests are strong and safe. Green tree ants are fierce hunters. They catch many insects that harm trees. Farmers use them to protect crops naturally. They live in big groups with many nests. They communicate well and guard their trees carefully. Meet the honeypot ant, the living storage tank. It lives in dry areas of North America and Australia. Some worker ants become special storage ants. Their bellies swell into round, full balls. They store sweet nectar inside their bodies. These swollen ants hang from the nest ceiling. When food is hard to find, the colony uses their stored nectar. This is a clever way to survive dry seasons. Honeypot ants dig deep nests to stay cool. They are perfectly adapted to hard, dry environments. Next is the Argentine ant, the super colony builder. It is small and light brown. It originally comes from South America. Now it lives worldwide. Argentine ants have many queens in one colony. They form huge super colonies that stretch for kilometers. They eat sweet food from small bugs called aphids. They protect aphids from predators to keep their food source. Argentine ants are very cooperative. Ants from different nests of the same colony do not fight. This makes them one of the most successful invasive ants. Now the harvester ant, the seed keeper. It lives in dry grasslands and deserts. Harvester ants collect grass seeds and plant seeds. They carry seeds back to their nests. They store seeds in special dry rooms. They check seeds often to stop mold. Seeds are their main food. Harvester ants have strong jaws to crack seeds open. They walk long distances to find seeds. They help spread seeds across the land. This helps new plants grow. They are key to keeping dry ecosystems healthy. Last, the carpenter ant, the wood builder. It is a large ant species. It is black or dark brown. Carpenter ants live in forests and wooden buildings. They dig tunnels in dead, damp wood. They do not eat wood, they just use it to build their nests. Their nests can be large, with many tunnels and rooms. They eat sweets, insects, and honeydew from aphids. Carpenter ants are strong climbers. They move well on trees and wood. They help break down dead wood in nature. This helps return nutrients to the soil. Now meet the odorous house ant, the smell specialist. When crushed, they give off a strong sweet smell, like rotten coconut. They are small and dark brown or black. You can find them in homes and gardens across North America. They love sweet foods and often enter houses looking for food. They build nests in walls, under floors, or in soil. Their colonies can have many queens and thousands of workers. They follow strong scent trails to find food and guide their nestmates. They are one of the most common household ants. Next is the crazy ant, named for its fast, unpredictable movements. They are small and dark, with long legs and antennae. They run quickly and change direction suddenly. Crazy ants live in warm and tropical regions. They nest in plants, soil, and buildings. They eat insects, sweet liquids, and plant nectar. They can form large colonies and become pests in homes. They move in messy, wild lines, unlike other orderly ants. Their quick, crazy style makes them easy to recognize. Finally, the Yesonia ant, also known as the Japanese red wood ant. It has a bright red body and a dark abdomen. It lives in forests of East Asia. They build large, dome-shaped nests from soil, leaves, and branches. These nests can last for many years. Yesonia ants are social and cooperative. They hunt small insects and collect honeydew. They protect their nest carefully and work together to survive. They play an important role in forest health and balance. Ants are more than small bugs. They are builders, farmers, hunters, and survivors. Each species has its own role in nature. They keep ecosystems balanced. They clean up waste, spread seeds, and control pests. Their teamwork is a lesson for all living things. The ant world is full of mystery and wonder. Every time you see an ant, you look at a creature with a long, amazing story. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.